Sibula mwami Kato William ngate nnono munange y'omu ku mpaji ennene ezibaddewo okubeera nga batambuza amawulire ga Akawungeezi ku NTV, our biggest channel in Uganda, you know.
My name is Frank Olusimbi. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time, Kato came, I think, after a month or two thereabout when we had joined. We were the first cohort to join NTV. That was September 6th, 2006. Some of you are in secondary school or primary, I don't know, but that's it. 2006. It was a turning point for many of us, but also a turning point for the TV industry in Uganda. There was WBS. Of course, I knew Kato from WBS. I would switch on and see his reports. They were excellent reports. And when he joined us, I felt we had a good driver that had come on board. He has the mind for the newsroom to plan, to ensure that tasks are split and that people deliver on time, all that. Kato was, and he's still. He says he's retiring, but I know Kato he loves working.
It didn't matter who you really were. Kato met you as you were. And so his character was that he dealt you the way you dealt with him. If you're hardworking, you had a very good relationship with him. If you're lazy, he ignored you. And you'd know that he doesn't like you because he can't deploy you. Yeah. He knows you will never deliver. Yes. And it was easy to know in the newsroom if he didn't like you. He just never deployed you.
And Kato, I always told you that the first message of appreciation that you sent me, I still have it. I did a story in Nazikuno. It was about dancing. I found him on the computer. I was stuck, no ideas. Kato, up to now, 10 years down the road, I still have that message and I appreciate. For those of you who are saying, I had people say that Kato's left this bulletin up there. People who are coming next should maintain that is the effort that we're going to put. We're going to double, but don't expect us to be Kato in 1 year.
Sinza ogamba nti kyanaku naye ye muntu atusobozesa okubeera kye tuli. Ate bw'oba okoze ensobi tajja kugenda mu kolido akwogere ku Kato, akuyitirawo awo n'agamba sudiiru bino ne bino byempulira oba biki by'okoze si birungi. Kato yali tasobola kuyisaamu egaali ku bintu biri paso. Ayagala amawulire gatambule, maybe g'okoze ensobi naye togiraba. Ate akugambe yanguwa ng'oli eri waweera oli mu kunyumya n'emikwano gyo. Bw'akusanga n'akuyisaamu egaali aba mutuufu, ojja gamba engeri gyampisizaamu egaali sandikyagadde naye naawe tunulamu, abeera ku pressure. Kato yayagalanga nti obeere responsible, agamba ekola kino talina kuddamu ate akujjukiza.
Twazirwana ffenna okutandika in the early 2000s. Twali ba reporter mu field nga tulabagana nga tugenda ku press conferences za UPC. Williams ye muntu ali consistent kyemumanyiko.
Kato, you know, as I was coming here, I was telling people that I had my moment with you. Was it on Friday when we had our small chat outside there? And I think really, it's my 7th month. I haven't had enough interaction with you, but from what everybody has said, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for serving this company so well.